Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Today I am so excited to be sharing this amazing recipe. We're going to make this delicious Andhra-style garlic chicken vepudu. That literally means fry. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I've taken 1 kilo of chicken with bone. So I've taken smaller pieces. First we're going to marinate the chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger garlic paste. Mix everything well. Just make sure that the chicken pieces are all nicely coated. This is a very simple and easy recipe. So you can see all the pieces are nicely coated. Let this sit for about 10 minutes. When it comes to chicken fry, there are so many different recipes. What is the best chicken fry you have ever tried? Let me know in the comment section. To a kadai, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add about 3 medium-sized onions thinly sliced. Saute the onions till they turn to a lovely golden color. So you can see the onions have turned to a lovely golden color. At this point, I'm going to add the marinated chicken pieces. Add the chicken pieces and mix it well along with the onions. After about 5 minutes, I'm adding about 8 green chilies slit. Just mix it along with the chicken. So you can see the chicken is getting cooked beautifully. Close the kadai and cook for about 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, open the kadai and you can see the chicken has released a lot of moisture. Continue to cook until all that excess moisture is evaporated. So you can see the chicken has got this lovely color on that, a nice brown tinge to the pieces. So the chicken pieces should be partially roasted like this. So once the chicken pieces have got this color, now I'm going to start adding all the spice powders. Starting with 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix everything well. Maintain the flame on a medium-low. Just toss everything. All the spice powders have coated those chicken pieces so beautifully. It's got that lovely rich red color. This is one of the most simple and easy recipes that I have done. So next I'm going to add 20 garlic cloves that have been roughly pounded. So I've pounded the garlic cloves along with the skin. Just going to add that. So this dish is for all those garlic lovers. Let me tell you, the flavor of garlic is just amazing. Continue to roast the chicken. We need it a little more dry. So you can see I've roasted the chicken for about 10 minutes. It's become nice and dry. Finally, I'm going to finish off by adding a few fresh curry leaves. So I've added the salt while marinating the chicken. I have not added any extra salt after that. So if you need extra salt, you can always check, taste it, and if you do need to add a little bit extra, you can always add it while you're cooking the chicken. Turn off the stove and serve it nice and hot. You can enjoy this flavorful garlic chicken as is, or you can have it with some nice rasam or sambar rice. Just look at that garlic chicken. It looks amazing and it smells fantastic. I was literally drooling while making this dish. Well, it's time to enjoy. Incredible flavors, of course. It's got the nice flavor of garlic and of course the masala. The chicken is so juicy, it's absorbed all these beautiful flavors. I'm going to happily finish about 6-7 pieces of this. Just sit quietly in one place and enjoy. Excellent. So you can see it's such a simple and easy recipe with great flavors. You can enjoy it as is or as a side dish for any main course. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. All my home cooking digital cookbooks are now available on shop.homecookingshow.in. Download and start cooking today. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website.